Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 8:30 p.m. At 7:45 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Watertown to near Whitewater, moving southeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waukesha, New Berlin, Brookfield, Menominee Falls, Muskego, Pewaukee, Sussex, Heartland, Muckwonago, Delafield, Elm Grove, Wales, Waukachi Lake, Oconomowoc, Merton, Dousman, North Prairie, Butler, Big Bend, and Lannon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.